All right, here we go again, working on the 4-seat bouncer project. So it's time to start hooking stuff up. I got this orbital valve steering column, quick release, mount bracket, that I'm gonna put in here. The tricky thing that I gotta do is I gotta notch this tubing right here on an offset notch. Like imagine taking a little happy face out of there. And I've been thinking on it, instead of just hacking it with the death wheel, I'm gonna try something different. Go guys, that's where I do all my building over there, my carport. This is my little shop where I keep all my tools. Got the lake right there, little boat dock action, you know. Little back porch sit and go on right there. This is why I have to paint my chassis before I'm done building them. Right here by the lake, it's really, really humid. So here's my idea. My JD tubing notcher. It's supposed to be either vise or stand mounted, which I have it on a stand. What I'm thinking is this thing will make offset notches. You can adjust the mandrel, or I guess you call it the mandrel, whatever, up and down to get that notch that I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unbolt it, take it over there, clamp it on the roll cage, and see if I can make that notch.
It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what you will, but love it, 'cause this is all. Deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and laughs that I shared yesterday, that I have today. I'm so grateful 'cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace.
I'm going to cover that with a piece of tubing so I get the strength back in this bar. So I'm going to cut this. Cool part about it was I was worried about not being able to see over this motor, which doesn't really matter. It's a bouncer. You don't have to see nothing. But compared to the blue buggy, I could see for days. I mean, I guess it's because I'm closer to the, I don't know. But on the blue buggy, and the seat's even lower in this one. Sorry about the wind, guys. But I guess you could, I'll try to give you my point of view in the blue buggy. That's the headrest. Can't see much. Alright, that is in. Okay, check it out. Got it burned in. Steering. Now I'm trying to mount this rear seat. Problem is, it's a little too short. Even if I lean it back, which I'm gonna lean it. So what I'm gonna do is sag these down right here in order to lean that seat back a little bit, get it down a little lower. Needs more headroom. And the next thing I'm figuring out is I have to put a radiator and a fuel cell back here, this same fuel cell, like this one. May end up having to make this thing a little bit longer. We'll see. Alright. What I'm going to do, section a piece of the lower frame right there. I'm throwing one of these, I'll call it a sag. I'm going to sag it a little bit to make that seat sink down in the back. It's not ideal, but you know, I gotta have room for my passengers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slug one side, and on this side I'll put a gusset into that bar, because you obviously can't slug both sides. You wouldn't be able to get the pipe in there. Alright, I got the seat in there. Camera died while I was welding, but I had this seat bracket. I bolted up to the seat, put it right in there. Looks pretty good. Well, as you can see, I fit. And if I fit, my kid's gonna fit. So this is gonna work. The cage is gonna be extended, the back of this thing. But all in all, it's pretty comfortable. More room than most buggies I've been in the back seat of. Alright, you might have noticed my head sticks out here. So what I'm gonna do is come out here, another bar, up, make another roof strut. Fuel cell's going back here, radiator's going back here. Give you a better idea, like this. I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna copy this, off like that. I'm gonna kick one back, that'll give me a place to attach my shocks. Rear bumps, radiator, everything. Just imagine this stuff right here. It's gonna look cool. Y'all do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see me finish this thing.